Hi there, and welcome to Mastering Mortgage Underwriting, a crash course for conventional loans. I'm Joe Correa, and I'm your instructor, and I'm so thrilled to have you here. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills in underwriting, this course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in the mortgage industry. In this course, we're going to cover everything from the fundamentals of underwriting to advanced techniques that you can apply immediately. Here's a quick look at what we're going to cover: how to evaluate borrower credit, income, and assets, reviewing property appraisals and collateral effectively, understanding compliance, risk mitigation, and making sound underwriting decisions, applying real world scenarios to solidify your skills. By the end of this course, you're going to have a clear understanding of the underwriting process, and you're going to have the confidence to make informed decisions that align with industry standards. Don't forget to download the course templates and cheat sheets for underwriting. These resources are designed to make your learning experience more practical and efficient. You can use them during the course and even after you've completed it to save time and stay organized in your work as an underwriter. And remember, you can always download the course PDF as well, so you have that handy when you are following along in the course lectures. I also want to remind you that this course is interactive. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything, feel free to reach out through the Q&A section. I'm here to help you and make sure that you get the most of this course. Once again, welcome to the course. I'm excited to share my knowledge and experience with you, and I can't wait to see you and see what you will achieve. Let's get started now.